Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more of these no-nonsense nutrition videos. Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Fries and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information. And today's video is about the health benefits of eggs. Almost everyone who eats eggs knows that they're an amazing source of nutrients. We know the general good source of protein, high in cholesterol, but there are so many other nutrients that make eggs a superfood. So I'm going to tell you what all these nutrients are, and then I'm going to bust some myths about fat and cholesterol in eggs. The first nutrient that eggs are so full of is protein. One medium-sized egg gives you about 6 to 7 grams of protein, which is pretty good considering how tiny an egg is. So if you eat eggs but are otherwise vegetarian, eggs are a great way to add to your daily protein needs. Fun fact, we've all heard that egg whites are a great source of protein. But did you know that the whites only contain half or 50% of the egg's protein? The remaining half is contained in the yolk. So please eat your eggs whole whenever you can. And protein is not the only reason to eat your eggs whole. The yolk is a powerhouse of many different nutrients. And what are some of these nutrients? Egg yolks are a source of the antioxidant vitamins A and D. And these are found in a form that is easy for our body to absorb and use. They also contain some amounts of iron and vitamin B12, and these are two nutrients that are sometimes difficult to obtain in a vegetarian diet. So eggs are a decent source of some of these nutrients, but that's not all. I want to talk about one particular nutrient that egg is a really high source of, even if you just eat one single egg. This nutrient is selenium. Selenium is an antioxidant and plays a role in making DNA, which means it is really important in reproduction. Popularly, selenium is also very important for making sure that our thyroid functions properly. One medium egg can give you about 20% of your daily requirement of selenium. And this, along with other anti-inflammatory nutrients like vitamins A and D, can go a long way towards helping create an anti-inflammatory state in your body and preventing diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Oh, and one more thing. I want to talk about two other nutrients that eggs contain that are particularly important for women who are pregnant. One of these nutrients is folate. You may have commonly heard of folate or folic acid. Every woman or almost every woman who is pregnant or planning a pregnancy usually takes a folic acid supplement. Folate or folic acid is very important for the growing baby's developing brain, spinal cord, and nervous system. In addition to folate, there is another nutrient required for the proper development of the baby's nervous system. And this nutrient is choline. You may not have commonly heard of this nutrient, but it's an important one, and eggs are a good source for it. Choline is only found in large quantities in animal foods. So if you are vegetarian and you eat eggs, eggs will be your go-to source for this nutrient. So I hope you've learned about some new nutrients that eggs contain and that you include these regularly in your diet. And if you're worried about cholesterol in eggs, this next part is for you. So yes, eggs are high in cholesterol, but recent new research has shown that the cholesterol that we eat in our food doesn't necessarily impact the cholesterol in our bodies and in our blood. In fact, our body manufactures its own cholesterol and it increases and decreases this quantity based on what we eat in our food. So you are completely alright to eat whole eggs with the yolk intact, even if you have diabetes and even if you have heart disease. The cholesterol in eggs doesn't impact your blood cholesterol proportionally, and there are so many other nutrients in eggs that would benefit anyone who has diabetes or heart disease or even just high blood cholesterol levels. So eggs are amazing. And if your dietary and lifestyle preferences allow you to eat eggs, please do so regularly. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below, reach out to me on Instagram or simply shoot me an email. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.